Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good day to all of you. So now we're going to learn on the last topic for BTM 533, which is topic 10, systems maintenance. So in the textbook, system maintenance is under chapter 14. So these are the learning objective for this topic, which is first to explain and contrast 4 types of maintenance. Next, describe several factors that influence the cost of maintaining an information system and apply these factors to the design of maintainable systems. And lastly, describe maintenance management issues, including alternative organizational structures, quality measurement, processes for handling change requests, and configuration management. So, for your information, system maintenance is the longest and most critical phase of the system development life cycle. So, if you can see here, maintenance is the last phase of SDLC, which is after implementation of the system. You need to make sure that you maintain the system that you have implemented. So in this phase, it involves making changes to ensure that the system continues to operate efficiently, meets evolving business needs, and also remain secure. So this chapter covers the types of maintenance, factors affecting costs, management of maintenance personnel, and also how to control change requests effectively. So why company need to do maintenance? 4 major activities occur within maintenance. First, need to obtain maintenance requests if the system need to be maintained, and then transforming requests into changes, designing changes, and lastly, implementing the changes. So even the implementation of the system has been implemented, but in the maintenance phase, you will find out there are several issues can be occur during the after the implementation phase tu. That's why masa maintenance ni lah kadang-kadang ada tiba-tiba sistem tu berubah, sistem tu perlu upgrade. So masa maintenance ni lah you masih lagi boleh buat implementation tersebut. So this is the example system service request for purchasing fulfillment system. If there is any need to change the system, you need to fulfill ataupun you kena follow lah the process of changing the system tu, which is selalunya organisation akan guna this kind of request form, and then they will send it to the top management. Once the top management has approved, they can go for the changes in the system. So the system maintenance is a continuous cycle of implementing changes to address flaws, adapt to the new needs, improve performance or prevent future issues. So daripada sini pun kita akan tengok dalam maintenance process, it requires planning, analysis, design and also implementation of the new of the current system. Kalau ada perubahan, dia akan melalui these parallel activities in the SDLC. So for the company to deliver and also have the outcomes of the new system yang dah di-update semula. So SDLC maintenance phase is a subset of the activities of the entire development process. So development of a new version of the software, a new version of all design documents created or modified during the maintenance phase. So now let's look at the types of maintenance. There are 4 types of maintenance, but before that, you need to understand what is the meaning of maintenance. Maintenance is changes made to a system to fix or enhance its functionality. So in developing a system pun dah implemented. Kalau you nak go for maintenance, you can go for the corrective maintenance, adaptive maintenance, perfective maintenance and also preventative maintenance. Corrective maintenance ni is actually fixing flaws in the system itself. If ada masalah ataupun ada improvement, penambahbaikan yang boleh dibuat dalam sistem tu, they call it as corrective maintenance. Adaptive maintenance means that you updating the system to accommodate changing business needs of technologies. Contoh, sekarang ni kita dah guna the latest version of system. So you punya system pula adalah sistem yang lama. So you kena create you punya apps tu so that dia boleh compatible dengan current punya sistem. Preventive maintenance is adding new features or improving system performance, whereas the preventative maintenance is making changes to avoid future problems. So based on the 4 type of maintenance tu, kita tengok kat sini corrective ni lebih banyak memberi value lah kepada organisation in doing the maintenance. And then cost of maintenance sometimes lah, selalunya in average the cost of maintenance the organisation will allocate around 60 to 80% of information system budget to maintenance. Dia memang kena ada budget allocated untuk maintenance ni, sebabnya maintenance memang wajib buat untuk setiap sistem yang you dah implement. Basically macam mana company tu nak make sure that they spend how much in their cost of maintenance, dia boleh tengok dari segi affecting cost which include the system documentation quality, latent defect, number of users, and also maintainability of the code. So when we talk about the cost of maintenance, it will also relate to the maintainability, which is the ease with which software can be understood, corrected, adapted, and also enhanced. The factors influencing maintainability can be the latent defect, number of system customers, quality of system documentation, maintenance personnel, tools, and also well-structured program. So in managing the maintenance personnel, siapa yang nak menguruskan maintaining the system ni, you can decide by separate teams for development and maintenance, and then you need to combine teams where developers also perform the maintenance. Sometimes developer of the system ni, they understand well about the system, so diorang pun lebih tahu macam mana nak buat perubahan ataupun penambahbaikan dekat sistem yang dah di-implement. And then functional units where maintenance staff work within the business unit itself. So this is the advantage and disadvantages of different maintenance organizational structures. Kalau organizational structures tu adalah separate, advantage dia macam ini, disadvantage dia macam ini. Kalau combine pun sama juga, dia ada advantages dia and disadvantages, and same goes to the functional, advantages dia and disadvantages. So in measuring maintenance effectiveness, macam mana kita nak tahu yang kita ni maintain sistem kita ni dengan baik? So kita boleh tengok dari segi number of failure. Contoh, kalau ada banyak sangat isu masalah sistem down dan sebagainya, maksudnya kita tak maintain dengan baik. And then time between each failure. Contoh, the first failure tu adalah minggu lepas, and then minggu ni ada failure lagi, next week pun ada failure lagi, maksudnya ada something wrong dengan you punya maintenance phase. And then type of failure. Kalau failure tu ataupun threats tu sangat besar sampai merosakkan keseluruhan sistem, means that there is some thing that is not good with your maintenance punya team. And then you juga boleh tengok dari segi mean time between failure, MTBF, which type of measurement of error occurrence that can be tracked over time to indicate the quality of a system. And then controlling maintenance requests, make sure maintenance requests can be frequent, prioritized based on type of the urgency of request, which yang paling utama, so yang itu yang akan diselesaikan dulu. Evaluation are based on the feasibility analysis conducted after you dah identify any problems during the maintenance punya phase ni lah. And then in configuration change, configuration management, you need to make sure that only authorized changes are made to the system. Bukan sebarang-sebarang orang yang boleh buat changes tu, sebab kadang-kadang ada this kind of people yang have their personal interest, ataupun ada dia adalah salah seorang daripada ancaman dia nak merosakkan you punya sistem. So you kena make sure that those yang boleh change the system tu hanya orang yang betul-betul layak, yang betul-betul sesuai dalam sistem, dalam maintenance team tu. And then tools like revision control and source control will manage the version and also changes involved with the system implemented. And then role of automated development tools in maintenance, usually there are tools like reverse engineering and engineering that will help maintain and also improve the existing system. Contohnya, by using the automated tools can help the organization to solve the problem much faster. So this is the reverse engineering and also re-engineering, means that you change back ataupun you buat perubahan baru untuk sistem yang sedia ada kalau perlu. And then website maintenance. Maintenance of web systems include checking for broken links, validating HTML and also re-registering site. Kadang-kadang website tu tak updated, so you kena updatekan barulah dia boleh appear dekat dalam page tu. So the company need to make sure that they carefully address all the issues and procedure related to the website maintenance. Selalunya the company or the team need to be consistent to avoid confusing users and then post indication of future changes to the site. Make sure that all the people or the user are aware of any changes in the system they use. And also use back changes to limit frequency of changes. Sometimes kalau terlalu banyak perubahan dalam sistem pun akan mengganggu proses kerja. So that's why kena make sure that you carefully identify any issue yang ada, you settlekan sekali lalu terus. Bukan stop batch by batch, nanti dia akan mengganggulah proses kerja. And then maintaining an information system for PVF web store. To maintain the PVF web store, the following question need to be addressed. How much is our website worth? How much does it cost our company when our website goes down? And how reliable does our website need to be? So for example, dalam situasi ni, the Pine Valley Furniture ni needs to immediately develop a plan for addressing the web store's service level problems. Kalau tidak, nanti dia akan menjadi masalah yang lebih besar yang sampai kena create new system pula untuk that organisation. So as a wrap up, system maintenance is vital for the long-term success of any system, ensuring that it continues to function as intended, adapt to changes and also remain secure. So by understanding the types of maintenance, managing associated costs and using effective tools and strategy, organizations can ensure their system provide maximum value over time. So proper management of maintenance requires personnel and system configurations is crucial to maintaining system reliability and performance. So now we already have come to the end of this topic. So what you should know or what you should understand in the last topic, systems maintenance, you kena tahu the importance of maintenance. You kena tahu bahawasanya maintenance phase ni adalah phase yang paling critical dan yang paling lama dalam SDLC. And then you also need to know the types of maintenance. And then you need to know how to manage the maintenance. And lastly, you also need to know about the web and security maintenance. Okay. So I guess that's all for this topic. Alhamdulillah, we already have completed the syllabus for BTM 533. So don't forget to do your revision as this topic is, even though the topic is only come out in MCQ, multiple choice question, but still you need to do some revision. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.